Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're diving into a genuinely fascinating breakdown of the essential skills you and I will need to really thrive alongside artificial intelligence. We're going to unpack a roadmap to future-proofing our careers together. So imagine this for a second. It's the year 2035. You wake up, check your phone, and head to work. But the company you walk into, it operates very differently than it does today. In this 2035 workplace, AI is already handling a ton of the heavy lifting. It's effortlessly preparing reports, analyzing absolute mountains of data, answering customer questions in real time, and even writing software code. It's executing what we used to call strictly creative tasks right in the background. Seamless machine output, that's just the absolute standard now. So the crucial point is, we are often asking the completely wrong question. We hear, will AI replace humans all the time, right? But that's a fear-based perspective that kind of just traps us. The empowering, the right question we should be asking is, what skills do we need to work with AI? Because the most successful person in the future isn't the one who memorizes the most facts. It's the one who thinks, learns, and adapts. To get us there, we've grouped the 8 necessary skills into 4 main areas for today's agenda. We're looking at thinking beyond the machine, the human connection, adapting to the tools, and finally, the ultimate survival skill. Let's get right into it. Section 1. Thinking beyond the machine. We're talking about commanding cognitive skills in an automated world. And that brings us to skill 1, critical thinking. What's absolutely fascinating here is how AI redefines this. Right now, AI can give you a well-written answer in seconds. So in the future, the challenge literally won't be finding information. We'll be drowning in it. The true human value will be actively separating right from wrong and all that noise. You know, when AI gives you an answer, you just can't accept it blindly. We've all seen those wild stories of algorithms confidently hallucinating fake court cases, right? You have to evaluate it by asking, what is the actual source here? Are there hidden mistakes? And crucially, is there another perspective the machine is completely missing? Which perfectly bridges into skill 6, problem solving. AI can compute 1,000 answers, but identifying the actual root problem, that's profoundly human. We understand the root problem, divide it into smaller parts, brainstorm solutions, weigh the pros and cons, and then choose the best path. We strategize. The AI just computes. Moving on to section 2, the human connection. These are the interpersonal and imaginative traits machines simply can't replicate. Like skill 2, creativity. And let's be clear, true creativity isn't just generating content anymore. Sure, AI can render a video or write a story, but true creativity is having that unique human vision to see an idea that others completely miss. If 1,000 people use the exact same tool, the person with the standout wild concept is the one who captures the world's attention. And contrast that AI output with human communication. AI delivers raw information and generate a text incredibly efficiently. But us, we build trust, we show genuine empathy, and we actively listen. You literally have to understand another person's underlying needs to communicate a powerful idea to them. AI just doesn't do that. It ties directly into emotional intelligence, which is the ability to understand your own emotions and the emotions of others. Think about your actual workplace. Navigating messy disagreements, motivating a tired team, or building empathy with a highly frustrated client. Raw data isn't enough there. You need emotional depth, which will always remain uniquely ours. Okay, let's dive into this 3rd section, adapting to the tools. This is all about practically navigating the ever-changing landscape of technology. Which brings us to skill 4, adaptability. In a world where software basically updates daily, the strongest person isn't the one who stubbornly clings to the old ways. It's the one who enthusiastically embraces new technology as old tools become obsolete. You've got to be willing to constantly pivot. And that requires AI literacy. Now, you don't need to drop everything and become a software engineer, right? AI literacy is just understanding exactly what AI can and cannot do. It enables you to use it responsibly to boost your productivity, treating it as a supportive tool rather than a blind, unquestionable authority. And this brilliantly illustrates the real limits of AI. Look, not every generated answer is correct, and not every output is trustworthy. Blindly following AI is incredibly dangerous. Human oversight isn't just a nice bonus, it's an absolute mandatory requirement for safety and truth. All right, we've arrived at our final category,
the ultimate survival skill. This is the meta skill that acts as the engine for everything else. And that is skill 8, lifelong learning. Education simply does not stop the day you graduate. A future-ready person's absolute greatest strength is their continuous ability to learn, because tomorrow, your entire industry might shift, and you have to perpetually educate yourself to keep up. I don't know, but I can learn. Honestly, I love this concept. This should be your daily mantra. The person terrified of learning new things is going to struggle in a fast-changing world, but the person who embraces this mindset, absolutely unstoppable.
So, who is the ultimate winner in this AI-driven future? It isn't just a mere machine user. By mastering these 8 traits, you become a decisive leader. You provide the right direction, you ask the insightful questions, and you truly understand people. You become the decision maker, confidently directing the tools.
Because the real story of the future? Let's reframe the narrative right now. It is not humans versus AI. Jobs and tools will keep changing rapidly, for sure, but success definitively belongs to humans who learn to work with AI. And the harsh reality is, those who stubbornly refuse to adapt will just be left behind.
So, I want to leave you with this one final provocative challenge. Will you just sit back and watch the change happen, or will you actively become part of it? The future belongs to those who shape it. Thanks for tuning in to this explainer. Keep learning, stay adaptable, and we'll catch you next time.